The Ramakrishna Vedanta Society of North Carolina, a humble home on Globe Road, Morrisville. For years, devotees gathered here, in love, in prayer, in community. The presence of Holy Trio has blessed this land from the very beginning. It is for them, and for all seeking souls, that a new universal temple will rise. This temple is not built for one people, or one faith, or one path. It is built for every seeking soul. In 1893, Swami Vivekananda shared a vision with the world. We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religions as true. As Sri Ramakrishna taught, Joto mat, toto bot. As many faiths, so many paths. All are welcome here. Universal Temple of Ramakrishna Vedanta Center of NC. But first, the land had to be prepared. Across Globe Road, a wooded lot waited. Bamboos, dense trees, wild undergrowth. This land held its breath, waiting for a higher purpose. With faith as the foundation, before the foundation was laid, every root removed, every obstacle cleared. The land was made ready for something eternal. The ground was broken, and a dream was planted. Our foundation had begun. In a moment of profound grace, the rendering of this temple was blessed by Most Revered Swami Gautamānandaji, President of the Worldwide Ramakrishna Math and Mission. Before the machines arrived, volunteers kept this land alive, month after month, clearing the weeds, holding the ground, keeping the dream within reach. Now, look at this land. Not long ago, dense forest, bamboo, wild undergrowth, slowly impenetrable. But today, it is being shaped by faithful hands and heavy machines, leveled, prepared, made ready. This is your investment at work. Every dollar donated, every prayer offered, every hour volunteered, it is visible right here, in this very earth, being shaped and leveled. A sacred foundation, a holy ground. By the grace of Sri Ramakrishna, the temple rises, one layer of earth at a time.